Hi, my name is Hilary Wong, and I'm a librarian here at SUNY Cortland. I'm specifically the liaison to the sciences that live in Bowers, so biology, chemistry, geology, physics. If you're in any of those classes, I'm your go-to person. You can reach out to me when you are researching the literature, and I can help you if you get stuck at all. And that is in fact what you guys are doing, right? You are doing a literature review for Dr. Curtis. So I created a tutorial to help you. Perhaps you know some of the stuff in here. That's fine. Hopefully there'll be something that you don't know. So you can just work your way through it on the tabs on the left. And when you're done, there's a little virtual escape room activity, except instead of escaping a room, you're escaping the library. Yay! Okay, so that will give me a chance to see where you are and what you've learned. If you get anything wrong, please click back to try it again, because the thing gets angry if you click next when it doesn't want you to. The main thing to remember is that I'm here and I'm available to help you. It's my job. So you can reach out to me several different ways. They're all those different ways are referenced in the Contact Me tab on the side, but you can email me, you can come stop by my virtual office in WebEx, you can chat with me if you're in Teams on another class, you can chat with me that way, or you can chat with a librarian, any librarian, 24/7 through the Ask a Librarian box in my Red Dragon. Okay, please let me know if you have any questions and have fun.